Oh, hi there. Today we're going to talk about Neef brushes. Neef is renowned as an Australian household name in the art world, with decades of craftsmanship and a proven quality. They have been supplying high-quality handcrafted brushes since the late 80s, with a vast range to choose from. That being said, the problem of choice can be pretty daunting, so let's have a look at some of the range they have on offer. The Green 95 series are a stiff synthetic bristle brush that are fantastic for both acrylic and oil painting. The soft and yet firm bristles tend to hold their shape really well and give you excellent control. These are incredibly resilient brushes. The Red 140 series are a hog bristle brush fantastic for oil painting. They are available at a very economic price, making them a great choice for painters of all skill levels. The Blue 1150 series are a premium interlocked hog bristle brush. These are a fantastic choice of brush for professional oil painters. The interlock bristles allow for a smooth, responsive application of paint and help the brush retain its shape over time. The highest quality chunking bristles are selected to retain the best resulting brush, with an oven-heated mold giving the bristles a much greater spring. The Kazan series is a unique development to Neef. The synthetic bristle brush replicates a natural squirrel hair. Squirrel is a soft and supple hair with a high capacity for water retention. This makes it great for watercolor. However, the Kazan synthetic has been shown to outperform the natural squirrel varieties, with the added bonus of a stable and durable synthetic bristle. As important as bristle choice is brush style choice. Let's have a look at the difference between some of the main variations. The flat brush style features a flat ferrule with a square end. The ferrule is a metal ring at the end of the brush handle that defines the shape the bristles take on. Flat brushes are great for large or consistent brush strokes or thin lines, depending on which face of the brush you use. Bright style brushes feature a flat ferrule with a square end just like the flat brush, however it has shorter hair length than the flat style and is great for making distinct, definite marks. The FILBERT style features a flat ferrule with a rounded hair end. This versatile brush gives a softer finish than the flats or bright. The round style brush features a round ferrule with round hair tapered off to a point. The round style is great for bold and detail strokes. This is a very popular brush with tonal painters. The fan style brush has a relatively thin layer of bristles spread out by the ferrule. They are commonly used to blend colours but can be great for painting hair, grass and the likes. Within each of these Neef brush series, there are a variety of brush styles to fit your particular needs. For everything we've discussed and plenty more on offer, come shop in store or online at artshedonline.com.au. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful content from us. And don't forget, stay creative.